Hi everyone! Pag-share lang po ako ng video tutorial ng step-by-step guide ng pag-account opening sa Vantage Markets. Alright, so before you start, may checklist tayo na dapat nating i-ready. Okay, so have the following ready: your proof of identity, which is a valid ID po, front and back po picturean nyo. Okay, have the images stored sa inyong local files, pwedeng sa cellphone, or pwede rin sa inyong laptop or desktop. Okay? So ano ba yung mga ID na pwede? Pwede siyang UMID o yung national ID, driver's license. Okay? Mas maganda itong mga ID to kasi may mga address. Or pwede rin naman ang Philippine passport. But if that's a Philippine passport, usually kailangan mo ng supporting na proof of address, like a valid ID na may address or a billing statement or a utility bill po. Alright? Pero kung ang valid ID mo ay mayroon ng address, pwedeng same ID yung i-upload mo sa proof of identity at sa proof of address. Okay. So, usually kapag nag-account opening kayo, either kung referred kayo ng inyong introducing broker, meron po silang mga sineshare na link para kayong na i-connect yung account ninyo sa kanila. Okay, so kung may link po kayo, i-launch nyo lang. Alright? And it will lead you to the Vantage Markets account opening page. Okay? So, this is how it looks like. Ang kailangan natin gawin dito ay fill upan yung information. So, una, country is Philippines. Your email. Okay? Lagay nyo lang. Your password. Kayo ang mag-set. Kung ako po sa inyo, unahin nyo muna to bago yung send code para ready na kayo kapag mag-next kayo dito. Kasi may time limit yung paglagay ng code. No? Okay. I-check nyo yung I am not a US resident at saka yung I agree. Yung referred by, pwede nyo ilagay yung nag-introduce sa inyo sa Vantage, either name, or kung meron silang tinatawag na introducing broker code, IB code, number po yun code number, pwede nyo po ilagay yon. Alright? So you can ask your introducing broker kung ano po ba yung kanilang IB code. Alright? And then, you can click muna yung send code. Okay? Now, once you send that, may countdown, no? Check niyo ang email ninyo. Alright? So, for example, nag-open ako dito ng email. Alright? Ayun. Verification code. So, nakalagay 936184. Okay? Pwede mo i-copy. Tapos, balik tayo dun sa ating account opening page. Okay? I-paste dito. Alright. And then now, I create the account. Okay, the next page, yung mga detalye natin. Okay? So, you're gonna put your first name and your last name. Okay? But this is for sample purposes only. So, ilalagay kong first name ko ay sample, tapos ang last name po only. Alright? Male. Okay? Date of birth. So, let's say 09. Month. 7. Okay? And year. 1995. 1996. Okay? There. Alright. O, nawala. Okay. So, number. You put your mobile number. Okay? Importante rin po ito. Okay? Dahil yung inyong code, minsan OTP kung tawagin, dito po yan babato. Alright? And then, country of residence and nationality, and click next. Okay. So, ito na yung mismong account type, yung ating trading account. So, we have the different account types. Meron tayong standard. Meron tayong raw. Ito yung ECN. Meron tayong cent. Parang micro account yan na standard. Pero meron tayong cent na ECN. Then we have perpetual. Okay? Perpetual yung kung crypto yung mga tinitrade nyo. If you want MT4, ito yung platform. That's the MT5 recommended. But if you have MT4, meron tayong premium. Okay? Yung premium account po, mas mataas ang leverage pero wala silang mga deposit bonus. Alright. However, kung you just want a standard, okay, you can go for MetaTrader 5. Okay. So standard, USD for your account currency. Okay, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Check it and then click next. Ayan. So dito po, meron na po tayong option to make a deposit. Alright? But usually I will advise at least process muna yung ID verification. Ito yung ating tinatawag na KYC or Know Your Client. Okay? So magsasubmit po tayo. So again, usually kailangan naka-ready na ho sa inyong drive yung ating valid IDs. Okay? Now, if let's say hindi pa kayo ready dahil hindi nakasave, may X button po dito sa taas. Okay? Pwede nyo na pong i-close muna yan. But you can see in the background, na-create na po yung account nyo. Okay? Na-create na yung account. Kaya lang, pending kayo sa KYC nyo. Alright. So, assume na ni-ready mo pa lang, pwede mong isara ito at pwede mong balikan. How? Lalagin kayo sa site na vantagemarkets.com. It will lead you to the login page and you will use the email na ginamit nyo to register to log in. Okay? Then go to profile. So makikita ninyo rito, kulang pa kayo ng level 2. That is for the POI or Proof of ID. Okay? Once you uploaded it, click nyo yung verify now, tapos na-upload nyo na, the next thing is may lalabas na level 3. Yun naman yung POA. Okay? So sa level 3, lalabas ang proof of address. Pwede nyong ulitin sa verify now the same ID na in-upload nyo dito. Basta yung ID na in-upload nyo ay may valid address, pwedeng yun din ang same ID. Okay? So example niyan, if I click the verify now, kung halimbawa hindi ko kinlose kanina, ganyan po yung window niyan. Click nyo yung I consent and then continue. Alright. So, middle name is not required. Optional yan. Okay? So, your first name, your last name, your nationality, and your birthday, and then click continue. Okay? Meron din siyang option continue on phone. Kasi minsan, phone ang pinangkuha mo ng passport mo o ng ID mo. So, yung file nando sa images ng phone. So, you can continue on the phone. Okay? Without cutting your process. So, issuing country, Philippines, choose the ID type. Pagka driver's license yan or national ID, UMID, mga may front and back yan. Ang wala ng front and back, passport. However, pag passport, okay, passport, continue. May reminder tayo sa passport. Ibukan ninyo yung passport nyo, nakuha yung parehong page nung may pirma kayo at yung may picture kayo. Okay? Kasi ganito yung tsura ng passport sa Philippines. Okay? So, yung page sa baba, so usually, nandito yung may photo tayo at saka yung mga details natin. Okay? Tapos dito, may pahalang diyan, patay yung gano'n yan eh. Yan ang pirma natin. Blank, technically yung page na yan, pero nandito yung pirma natin. So, kailangan yan ang picturean nyo. Okay? Medyo challenging picturean ang passport kasi minsan sumasara, no? Umangat yung page. May paalala pa dyan, di ba may mga numero-numero dito, barcode. Tiyakin nyo na pag nag-photo kayo niyan, Huwag niyong matakpan ng daliri, no? Pag hinawakan niyo yung passport, huwag niyong takpan ng daliri itong mga detalye dito. Okay? Hindi po rin namin ina-advise yung scan. Any idea, scan nyo. Mas gusto natin, picturean nyo. Okay? At may background ng konti, may surrounding yung ID nyo. Huwag yung kinakrap ninyo up to the last edge. Okay? So, yun na po yung mga munting paalala. Okay, so pag nahanap ninyo yung file nyo, click nyo lang to. Okay? Ipapa-choose niya sa'yo kung anong document yan. So, halimbawa, yan yung document. Pero syempre ito, mag-fail yan. Ha? Bakit? Kasi hindi naman yan yung dapat na itsura ng passport. Okay? So, let's say na-upload ko siya dyan. Di ba nag-deny siya? You cannot continue kasi na-detect na hindi naman yan yung ganitong itsura na passport. Alright? So, anyway, once na na-verify na yan, you are ready to deposit, you are ready to trade. Okay? Isama ko na rin, bonus track, punta kayo sa accounts. Total, pinag-uusapan ng account opening. So, initially, nakakreate ka ng live account. Let's say you want to add another account. Hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng panibagong profile. You can have as many accounts as you want. Okay? Pero up to, 20 accounts per client. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka na ritong magdagdag another live account, no? Or demo account. Okay? So, kung demo account, para may praktisan ka, open ka demo account, I suggest mag-standard ka. Kung ano yung gagamitin mo sa live, yun na rin yung gamitin mo sa demo para pag nag-practice ka, same environment, same trading conditions. Alright? So, standard, US dollar, ang currency, MT5 yung platform, and then leverage, yung mataas, 500. Yan naman yung highest dyan. Balance, yung mababa lang o yung realistic na ipopondo mo. Huwag yung mga 100,000 tapos ang totoong pera mo $100, 'di ba? Hindi mo masasanay yung proper sizing. Okay, so halimbawa, na-create mo na yan, ready na yan, submit. Okay, click the I know. So now, nasa napunta yon? Dito may drop down from live account. Ito yung account number ng live account mo. Pero drop down demo account. This is now the account number of your demo account and this is your balance, virtual balance. Okay? By default, may password po na binibigay dyan. At saan nyo yun makukuha? Yun ay nasa inyong email. Okay? So, hanapin nyo lang yung mga welcome message na ganyan. New MT5 account. So, may 3 detalye para mag-login sa isang platform. You need your login. This is your account number. Okay? The password. Okay? And the server. So, pag isa dyan ang mali, pag nag-login ka sa platform, magkakamali po yung pag-login nyo or mag-fail. Okay? Now, kung mahirapan kayo tandaan tong password, I recommend highlight nyo, right-click, copy. Okay? Yan yung sa email nyo, no? Balik kayo dun sa account opening page. Okay? Sa account nyo, ito yung account number, di ba? May settings tab o settings button, click, change password. Yung highlight at kinapin nyo from the email, that's your original password or your current password, i-paste lang yan. Then create your new password na hindi kayo makakalimot. Okay, yung ginawa kong password, gusto niya ng timpla, small letters, capital letters, special character. Okay? Ano yun? Tawag namin doon. Alphanumeric, ibig sabihin may alphabet, may number, tapos yung alphabet mo may small case, may uppercase, at tapos may special character, kagaya ng exclamation point, walang @ okay? Then, change password. Okay? So, kapag na-change password nyo na, pag nag-login kayo sa platform, yun na po yung ipa-password nyo doon. Okay? Saan manggaling ang platform? Dito sa portal nyo, punta kayo sa downloads. Andito po ang mga downloadable platform. So, meron po tayo sa mobile na tinatawag na Vantage All-in-One app. Okay? Meron din po tayong generic na MetaTrader 5 at MetaTrader 4. Okay? Pag ito po ang dinownload nyo, ito nadadownload naman sa mga Play Store or App Store. Same with this one. Okay? Pag yung all-in-one app, mas maganda po yan. Diyan na yung parang pinaka-client portal mo na rin. At the same time, any account yan na type pwede. Alright. And for PC, laptop or desktop, ayan po. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Meron siyang for Windows or for Mac. So pag na-download nyo yan, nasa local file downloads nyo yan, iraran nyo para mag-launch. Okay? So yung navigation ng platform can come into another video po. Okay? So if you have questions or comments, pwede ninyong ilagay sa comment section ng video na to. Alright? So I hope you learned. Thank you and goodbye.